Hey guys, it's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today's Sunday. I wanted to make this video because I've been missing in action for the last maybe 30-45 days. I've been having some work done in my basement this way. I'm going to have to be moving this in the next couple of days. That's why I wanted to make the video. That I want to also let you know that I will be coming back with all new content in relations to what's going on in my tent. You know, starting up a lot of new grows inside. So a lot to come, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on why I haven't been around and why I haven't been really uploading any videos, and that is due to the fact that I'm having some work done in my basement, and just in the next 48 hours I'm gonna have to probably take this whole thing apart and move it out and transition it in certain areas, in which case if these reservoirs were completely filled with water and there was plants growing, it would make it so much more difficult to move. I've been in that situation where I needed to move the reservoirs and water gets everywhere. And it's almost impossible to take the water out. I mean, it is. Obviously, you could scoop it out. But the amount of work that has to go into it it's not even worth it. So I really haven't done anything here. I mean, as you can see here, things are dead. Yeah. I left this like this, and I'll give you an up-close shot of what this actually looks like. And yeah, I just let it just go. Basically, this happens when the water runs out. Okay? When the pump's not on, when there's no more water being sent to the root system, the plants die and shrivel up just like this. Look at that. It's basically dust. And that's really it. I don't want to make this a long video. I want to keep it super short. But I wanted to give you guys a quick update that I will be coming back with a lot of new fun content, especially as winter is rolling around. So it's super important that I, keep you guys tuned in to make sure that I'm also motivating you guys to start a grow system just like me. Okay, and make sure to hit the links down below if you're new to the channel. Everything that you need to know, everything you need to get to maintain a system like mine, I did all the research for you. Everything is right down below. Anyway, let me take you a closer. give you a closer look at this, and then I'll end the video from there. But just to give you a quick insight of what's really going on here, because there's actually some cool colors here. That's the only reason that I want to give you a close up. But so much more to come, guys. Come on. All right, let's just dive right in here. This is the aftermath of what happens when you leave your grow, just not necessarily not unattended. But when you say, you know what, let everything die down on its own. I'm not even going to cut it out. I'm not even going to do anything. It's actually easier to pull everything out when it's, as you can see, look, it's so dry that it just simply uplifts. You could shake off the clay pebbles and that's it. It comes out just like that. It's just so much easier this way. When it's wet, it is really difficult. As you can see, when it's super dry, everything shakes right out and comes right off. It's pretty easy. But that's really it. I gotta clean these up. I gotta move this out. I gotta take down the lights. I gotta take this whole thing out because this whole area is gonna be worked on, and unfortunately it's just gonna be too hectic to keep it here. And actually it's not possible to keep it all here because they have to work on the wall behind this. So that's really it, guys. If you're new to the channel, sorry that you're watching this type of video, but I just wanted to update my audience. All the long-term fans, all the followers have been with me for quite a while. If you're interested in indoor growing, especially hydroponics, focusing on lettuce or anything that's not, requires pollination and just indoor growing in general, and you want to learn how to make reservoirs, how to germinate seeds, everything that you need, hit the links down below. Also, check out all the old videos. I mean, a humongous, extensive archive, well over, probably close to 3 years or probably into 3.5 years of content that you could reference on what you need and how to go about creating all of this. How to maintain your own setup just like this. It's really cool, but so much more to come. I'm going to be pretty active on posting. Might even start an Instagram post because I love coming down here and taking pictures sometimes. I just never upload it because I usually focus on making videos, and then I do often post images on our Facebook page, which you'll find down the link down below as well. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Make sure to share this video, or just share the links that I have from previous videos of anybody that's looking to learn how to grow their own food, looking to sustain their own hydroponic indoor grow. I just want to learn something new. Alright guys, this is Mike signing off. I'll see you guys probably in the next 30 days. Adios.